the steps I took into winning both of my trades. I started off with Forex, took a trade on GU using the Forex strategy, previous session Forex strategy. So as we can see, I'll start with the 4 hour. The 4 hour was bearish. See, the 4 hour was bearish, never broke structure back to the upside, so it was bearish. I really was bullish. As you can see, we broke structure multiple times. Just got into the 30-minute and mark out our session highs and lows. Marked out this previous New York session high. As you can see, this New York session opened and tapped into it. So I scaled into the 5-minute, waited for a break of structure. We got that break, but the break was all the way down here, so I waited for a little retrace. Marked out this 5-minute imbalance, scaled into the 1 minute. As you can see, we broke structure with that 5-minute imbalance in the 1 minute. So that's where I took my short position right there after the break of structure from the 5-minute imbalance. And when I took this trade, prices was chopping around for like, when I entered right here to a 1247. I was in it for so long. I was in it for like an hour and 30, and then so I just went ahead and like I closed my position around somewhere right here, and I had my first TP was right here. My second was at the base, the start of the London session low. Third take profit, the midpoint of the London session low, and my final take profit was at the very end of the London session low. I still think price might chop its way down there, but yeah, price was choppy. I just wanted to get out of the trade so I could trade the index. And yeah, that was the first trade I took on GU. And let's go on the second trade. So for NASDAQ today, let's mark out our draws on liquidity. Let's mark out session open. So on NASDAQ, we have these 4 hour lows right here, these 4 hour highs right here. On the hourly, we had this low, this hourly low. I marked out this high and this high. So that's what I marked out. And we also had this little daily gap right here that I'm also marked out that didn't get hit. Alright, we got that hourly liquidity sweep. I'm scaling down into the 5-minute, waiting for a 5-minute retrace. So we come down, come back up, get a 5-minute retrace. Alright, I'm scaling into the 1 minute. After getting that retrace, I see we got legs up, creating a bullish imbalance. We inversed it, but we also made a bearish imbalance, and we came back up and inversed that bearish imbalance. So me seeing that the bearish imbalance got reversed, I use that as a break of structure. So now I'm waiting for any third confluence to get filled. You see a fair value gap right here. It's technically BPR, so I waited for a bullish rejection candle, got that, and went longer here. Stops under the low of the fair value gap where my trade would be invalidated. Put my stops right there. First take profit was these highs. Second take profit, these highs. Final take profit was right here. Or no, final take profit was that high all the way up here. And let me tell you, I didn't necessarily lose this trade. I did a trailing stop loss without taking take profit. So when price was like up here, I moved my stop loss to break even because I realized my mistake on ES. ES was the much better trade to take today. It was the same setup, hourly liquidity sweep, 5-minute retrace, scale into the 1 minute break of structure, fair value gap. But the thing wrong with NASDAQ was it didn't have equal lows or equal highs. ES had equal highs and closer highs to grab than NASDAQ. I could just see my first TP would have been all the way up here, and on ES, if I would have taken this trade, the same exact trade, but on ES, stops under these lows. I was gonna target this high right here. First take profit, second take profit, final take profit up there. See that 2 of my take profits would have got hit before getting stopped out at break even. So yeah, ES was the much better trade to take today. I've learned my lesson. If we see equal highs on one of the pairs, try to trade on that one. I traded on Nasdaq because we had a 15-minute SMT. We had 15-minute SMT, and you usually want to go for the lagging index. So I went for Nasdaq. Yeah, higher highs on yes. So yeah, probably. I guess that was my mistake. But nevertheless, still made money today. I'm grateful. I've learned my lesson, and I'm gonna try to do better to actually hit full take profits in my future trades. So yeah.